Again, it's a pretty straightforward problem, and it might be tedious, but you write down a over a factor 3x minus 1 plus b over a factor 2x plus 3 plus c over a factor 2x plus 3 squared. Multiply both sides by the LCD. What do you get? 14x squared plus 11x plus 29. What would this give you? A 2x plus 3 squared plus b 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 3 plus c times 3x minus 1. Now, I'm not going to finish the problem out, but I want to, again, focus in on what you need to do. You need to write this down. Let's see if I did that right. A, 2x plus 3 squared. I wrote the 14x squared plus 11x plus 29. Good, there. B, 3x minus 1. 2x plus 3 is a factor. And C would have to be 3x minus 1. What do you do now? And again, it's basically an arithmetic problem. You set x to be a number that's easy to deal with. And the easy things are when you produce a 0 in the problem. So I'm going to say 1/3 would be a good one. And what would happen there? 2 of the terms would disappear, and you'd get A. Right, that's not so bad. And then, this would lead eventually to an A in the problem. It would lead there. It would lead there. Again, if you put 1/3 down, the B would disappear and the C would disappear. And then you'd be left off with the A equaling some number. All right? And, certainly we give you a key. I hope you realize the key, the A in this key would turn out to be 28 11ths. I'll write that down for you. So if you did the work here, you would get 28 11ths. All right? Then someone says, what would you pick next? Well, again, I'm leaving it as an exercise for you to try. I would try minus 3/2. And if you did that, what would disappear there? The A would disappear, the B would disappear, and you'd be left off with the C. And my claim on the C, if you did the arithmetic, you'd be left off with 8. All right? I'm sorry, minus 8. Now someone says, what would you do now? I would pick another easy number. And I'm going to say you pick x equals, well, you know what? I kind of exhausted the really easy ones because they produce zeros. And now what I go to? I would go towards 0. Now here's the deal. If you use these two along with the x equals 0, you'll get the b. And what's the b going to turn out to be? 7 11ths. All right. I always say this, I make errors too. I want to point out, if you feel there's an error, you know what? Reach out to me. All right? And what's my name? Ron Bannon. What's my email address? B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. And I will certainly try to get back to you if I can. Thank you.